Hello friends, now in this video tutorial we are going to talk about pointers. So in engineering, especially in computer science and information technology, we are doing the programmings. So there is a topic called pointers which is very important in our course curriculum, and so it is needed utmost to understand about all those things. So at first we are going to tell about what is pointer. So you have to just follow my video and you will be able to understand what exactly is pointer. So pointer, what is pointer? So just let me tell you a simple thing. We are creating a variable int a. So the name of the variable is a. So there is a memory allocated for this variable of integer data type called a. A is the name of variable name, and it has some address. The address of this memory location, that is suppose you are saying 32689, this is the address of this variable. So this is the address of the variable, and if we will store something like a equals to 15, so 15 is the value which gets stored in the variable named a of data type integer. So it is very easy. 15 is getting inserted into the memory location of a. So 15 will be going here, so 15 will be going here. So it is very easy. A is a variable name of integer data type, and it is storing the value 15, and the variable has the address 32689. So it is very easy. We can also say ampersand a. So ampersand a is what? A is the variable name, and ampersand a is means the address of the a is 32689. This is okay. So the variable a of integer data type is storing what? Is storing a value. So if we want to store an address instead of a value, so we are making the concept pointer to store the address, not the value. So in case if the pointer is of data type integer pointer a, this is the pointer a, this is asterisk, and this along with the variable, any kind of variable name, is a pointer. So pointer will what a pointer will do? It will store the address of what? If we will do like a equals to, suppose it is ab, so ab equals to ampersand a. What does this mean? This means the address of this block, the address of this block is 32689, will be getting stored in ab. Alright, so in this case there will be a pointer named ab, and it will store the address of a, that is 32689. In case if we want to print, the value at this pointer, what is the value at this pointer? This is storing this, but if you want to know the value at this location, if you want to know the value, then what we have to do? We have to write here a command called printf ampersand d, and then we will have to write pointer ab. So what this will do? This stores the address, and when we are dereferencing, that means when we are using the asterisk, what this will do? This will tell the value at this address. So what is the value at this address? The value at this address is 15. So 15 will be getting printed. Output will be 50. This is the basic concept of pointer. Okay, so there are some points that I would like to mention is, yes, so basically pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable of same data type. That means here the data type of this variable, the data type of this variable is integer. So the pointer must be of integer data type to store the address of this variable in it. So if we want to know the value at this address, then we have to use the asterisk. Then this asterisk will dereference means what this is storing. This is like, we can say this is 32689, means what is the AB? The value of AB is the address is this, so we can write asterisk this. So asterisk means value at this address. What is the value at this address? Value at this address is this is the value at the address. So you can say this address is getting stored in this pointer, and this pointer's value is this. So very easy, it's very easy concept. So now we are going ahead. This is the basic concept actually, nothing is more than this, but I'm going to take you to the another level. What is the advantage of using a pointer? Oh, 1 minute, yeah. Advantage of pointer. Now, more efficient in handling arrays and structures. I will say about what is the efficiency in using the pointer in case of arrays and structures in this video, or I will make another separate video for this. So the next thing is pointers also allow references to functions and help in passing of functions as argument to other functions. So I will say you how it is used for referencing. You can also understand that a pointer stores the address, so it is referencing to the address of some another memory location. You can say if a pointer is AB and it is storing the address of A, so AB is referencing to this memory location, address of this memory location, so it is used for referencing. And also here it is written pointers also allows the references to functions. So in the later video I will say about this is the referencing of a variable location. So in the separate video or in the same video I will tell you that a pointer will also allow reference to functions, means it will keep the memory address of it will store the memory address of a function, and it also helps in passing of the arguments the same way like we are creating as integer add, and it is int a, okay, int b. So if you want to store the address of this function, this can be also uh, means this is the address, this is the function, these are the parameters. So instead of this using functions, or if you want to store the address of this function, we can use the concept of pointers. So it is very easy. There is a program. I just want to show you a program and guess the output of the program. So basically there is a main function, just starting with the main. Okay, integer a comma b comma sum semicolon. Okay, and there is a just we are in taking the inputs of a and b, %d a comma b, and we are using a function called add. We are storing the address of a, we are storing the address of b, and the address of sum. This is all over. Okay, so just you should write this in your notebook so that I can turn over the page. If you are writing this, then this will be helpful, so please write this, then I will turn the page. Okay, so void add, this is the function, and see what are writing, pointer a means this will store the address of, you see here is the add ampersand a, so it will store the address of a, it will store the address of b, it will store the address of c, and these address will be getting stored in this pointer as a parameter. Integer pointer a, integer pointer b, integer pointer sum. Okay, now sum equals to this and this. What does this mean? This means a has stored, the pointer a has stored the address of the a memory block a, same way b, and it is storing the address of sum. Now pointer a means the value at the address. Suppose the address here we are using the ampersand a. Suppose the ampersand a value is 100. Suppose the address is a of address is 100, 101, and 102. So this 100 will be passed as an argument to pointer a, 100, 101, 102. So pointer a means what is the value at the point, what is the value at the address 100, value at the address 101, and these will be stored to the value at sum. So initially the pointer sum is equals to what? Sum is a memory block, it has some address is 102, the value is 0, so the value is 0. First of all, the value is 0. So if we are adding this b a, and if we are inputting the value of a as 4, adding 5, so it will be, if we will do printf %d pointer sum, so it will give the value, that is it will give the value 9. So what is the logic, what is the cream in this total program? So you can easily check this. When we are creating a, there is a memory block that is created a, it is storing suppose 100, we are inputting the value 4. Same case b, we are storing 5, address is 101, there is a name of integer sum, It is creating a memory space. The address is 102. We are adding a plus b. Here we are adding the address of a. Address of a matlab pointer 100. Pointer 100 means value at 100 is 4, value at 101 is 5, and value at 102. So value at 100 is 4, value at 101 is 5. This all getting added 9. 9 will be here, it is 9. Only sum is what? If we are printing sum, then it will give the address 102. Okay, since sum, here sum is keeping the address, so if we will just add sum, then it will print the address, and if we will use a pointer, then it will give the address, it will give the value at the address sum. So it will give the value at the address 102, that is 9. So the output will be 9. Okay, so in this video only this much. In the later video I will tell more about using the pointers in arrays, in structures, or in passing of arguments in functions. Thank you. If you like this video, then kindly subscribe it. Thanks a lot.